Hey mofos! I'm getting coffee with Anna Banana. We're talking about some trauma we have. We're bonding! But for Rosie's, we're getting 151. It's amazing. I'll show you when I get my drink. Hey guys, I'm about to use my camera, but I just got home from getting my passion melon green tea with energy in it. I made edamame in the microwave. I'm about to eat that, and then I'm gonna get my camera and start filming my day and my life. I'm gonna clean my room really quickly. If you didn't understand what I was doing, or what I am doing, oh my god, why am I filming right now? I don't know, but I'm just gonna let it happen. I'm gonna be doing a day in my life today. I asked y'all on Instagram what y'all wanted to see, and y'all are very curious about what I do in my everyday today life. So right now I'm gonna clean my room because I usually do that right when I wake up. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that now while I have my face mask on, and then I'm gonna take it off and do makeup. I've been doing makeup like every day, so it's amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little clean my room time lapse because I have OCD and it's really bad. So let's go. The stuff out is just stuff that I have to do today, so that's my way of getting me to do stuff when my brain doesn't want to. I was gonna do my makeup first, but I decided to do my outfit first, so I'm gonna show y'all what my outfit of the day is gonna be. I've been getting like dressed and doing my makeup recently, like every day for maybe like a week. It has helped me, but it also doesn't like fill the void that I'm trying to fill. But it is better than doing absolutely nothing. So, and also look at my plant, she's so healthy. I have to water her, don't let me forget it guys. But I'm gonna wear this, and then I have all the stuff that I could wear it with over there. Update, I'm definitely not wearing what I said I was. This is what I'm wearing. Anyways, I wanted to wear this, but everything I tried with it just didn't work out, so I'm wearing a completely different outfit. I'm gonna go clean this up, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm probably gonna film like an everyday makeup tutorial updated because I haven't done one in like a year, because me not explaining it after doing it for so long, like right now, it's just like, y'all need to know what's up. Y'all need to know what's up. So I'm probably going to do that. Dude, that was ugly. I hated that. Did y'all hate that? Because I hated it. It's okay. It's over now. We're safe. Dude, this part of makeup just makes me look like a total package. That's what it makes me look like. I'm gonna do the thing where I go like this, and then I go like this, and then I'm a whole new person. So I'm gonna do that. Boom! That was ugly, but it was also stunning. So yeah, I finished my makeup, and that's amazing. Now I'm gonna go hang out with my fam bam, and then I'll be back to do my next thing in the day of my life that's worth filming. So yeah, I actually just got home. I went to a friend's house for a little bit, and now I'm going to draw some, do like a time-lapse thing of me drawing, because I think that would be cute. So yep, I'm gonna be drawing Dua Lipa. This is what the drawing looks like right now. So I moved the eye too far away, so it should be closer, but I'm just gonna be working on this drawing right now. I'm gonna add some charcoal to darken some spots up, and I'm gonna try to make it look more like her, because right now she's kind of struggling. Hey guys, I'm super bored with my hair and I don't want to cut it short, so I'm gonna cut it bit with bangs. So I'm gonna part it. Should I keep it like this length or like this amount of thickness, or should I take some out? I want like super thin bangs. Here, let me show you what I want. This is the length I want it. Okay, does this look like it would be like that or no? Just do that.
Also keep in mind that it looks different once you like straighten it.
Ew, my hair smells weird.
I can't believe you're copying me.
My hair is so pretty, like it's such a pretty color. I don't know.
It looks different because it's wet.
But it's so like little. Like, do I need more? I need to add more now. I think I need to add more because that's why it looks so whack right now. It's because I'm bored, isn't it? Bored, and then I do some shit.
They look like very much barcode bangs right now.
See, I vibe with this.
Are you sure?
No.
Sometimes you just have to rip them out.
The other girl's wasn't that stringy.
Well, hers also wasn't wet.
Okay, I'll dry them and see what happens. So I definitely did cut my bangs. I obviously don't do that every day. My hair's kind of curly, so when it dried, it like went like that. And I kind of dug it, so it's staying like that. But I just got Whataburger. And I haven't done much else today. I've just kind of been like phone watching New Girl or The Office or something. I'm gonna read right now. New THG, beep! Suzanne Collins is a mastermind of amazing things. Ugh, I keep having to burp. I'll obviously film when I take my makeup off and like get ready for bed and like do my little night routine. I have bangs again. 8th grade me is like going insane right now. Okay, I'll be back. So I'm gonna wash my face now and I'm gonna take my lashes off. Obviously. That's what they looked like when I burned them. Flashbacks. Anyways, okay. So I'm gonna use this Lancome makeup remover. I hate makeup remover like this, but I keep seeing how makeup wipes are really bad for your skin. So I'm like, I can't keep doing that because I do it every day. Okay. Oh, that's why I didn't like bangs. Brush your teeth, ladies. So now that my face is clean, I'm gonna do my skincare routine, which is pretty simple. I basically just do toner, moisturizer. Toner, moisturizer. There we go. I love you. I just like shut myself up. Oh my god, I was literally just talking and I just like covered my head. Oh my god, that's funny. I have a tripod and I definitely haven't used it once today and I don't know why. I forgot I was filming. Like the last productive thing I do in a day is take my medications. I take 15 milligrams of Lexapro, but I have to like cut one up. And then I take Abilify. That's what this is. I was originally taking 10 milligrams of Lexapro, and then they increased it to 15 milligrams, and it wasn't improving my mood at all. So then I had to go on Abilify, which I've been taking for like 2 weeks now, a week maybe, and it has helped, so that's good. It's 11:20, lights out. I usually go to sleep like 10 or 11, if I'm being completely honest. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't do much. but it does help to get ready and like try to be as productive as possible with what the day has given you. So that's what I tried to do today. So I will see you guys in my next video. Now I look like Kara, like I can't stop on seeing Kara. Like, hi Kara. Bye.